Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Braze. In this candid Braze review, a must-watch before you commit, we'll delve into whether this platform is the right fit for your marketing needs. Be sure to check the description for additional resources and links related to Braze. This review explores Braze's core functionalities, its target audience, and how it can potentially revolutionize your marketing approach. Braze is a sophisticated customer engagement platform empowering businesses to design personalized, data-driven marketing campaigns across multiple channels. It's ideally suited for businesses aiming to elevate customer interactions via email, mobile push notifications, SMS, and in-app messaging. Braze is particularly advantageous for companies boasting a large user base requiring a scalable solution to manage substantial volumes of customer data and engagement activity. A key strength of Braze lies in its real-time customer segmentation and messaging capabilities. This functionality enables marketers to craft highly targeted campaigns by leveraging real-time insights into customer behavior, preferences, and lifecycle stages. From onboarding new users and stimulating repeat purchases to re-engaging inactive customers, Braze empowers you to create timely and relevant campaigns. Braze also provides robust multi-channel orchestration, allowing you to connect with your audience across diverse channels such as email, SMS, push notifications, and even in-app messages. This ensures consistent and well-timed communication. By seamlessly integrating these channels, you can deliver a unified customer experience that dynamically adjusts to how users engage with your brand. Another crucial feature is Braze's comprehensive data integration capabilities. It can seamlessly integrate data from diverse sources, including CRM systems, data warehouses, and third-party tools. This data integration guarantees that your marketing strategies remain data-driven and aligned with the latest customer insights. The platform's emphasis on personalization empowers brands to cultivate stronger customer relationships, ultimately boosting loyalty and conversion rates. Braze further distinguishes itself through its robust A/B testing and reporting features. Marketers can experiment with different message variations to identify top performers. Detailed analytics provide insights into essential metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, offering a holistic view of campaign performance. Regarding pricing, Braze offers customized pricing plans based on usage, allowing scalability alongside your business growth. While the cost might be higher for larger enterprises, the platform's potential to cultivate long-term customer engagement and retention can yield a substantial return on investment. It's worth noting that Braze can have a steep learning curve, particularly for smaller teams lacking a dedicated marketing or data specialist. The platform's extensive features and customization options can initially feel overwhelming. However, once mastered, it offers powerful capabilities for customer engagement. In summary, Braze is a leading customer engagement platform designed for businesses seeking to develop personalized, data-driven marketing strategies at scale. If you're looking to enhance multi-channel communication and build lasting customer relationships, Braze is certainly worth considering. For more detailed information, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.